our first row.
Yeah, it's something, yeah, but it's just too heavy for me to... Yeah, see it there? You see it there? No, you're not just good. I'm going to shock me out. See if we can go back. Right. That's gonna have a go. It's a bit wobbly.
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't got some other stuff.
Remember, chuck that back down because you want to step
Yeah,
on
I know,
it.
because I'm finished. I've got a brake lever.
That's so cool.
And some this is scrap metal.
That's so cool.
Oh god. Oh right. With no wheels. By the way. Thank you.
Bit broken in the other one. No. Mum, look. So this is what we found so far. 2 scooters, something, and all of this so far. This is a good area so far because we found quite a few things.
So what's that building straight ahead of us? That over there? To do with the...
That's army van.
Yeah.
Was it army vans? Was it army vans?
Army.
Army.
Barracks.
Oh.
Army train.
Pull it up. Pull it up. Pull it up. Seriously. He farted again. I think the camera.
Sides are left on
I don't know, but
that.
Hey Mum. I faced the camera at me and I think he farted again. What is it? I'm not. I was just showing the viewers
Okay.
the water.
Do you want me to have a go? Are you going?
I'm on. Whatever that is. I have no idea. It looks like vent bit metal bounce. There.
This is all tangled up here though.
It won't
go.
Thank you. I'll pull it. Halfway then.
But I pull it up because I got it yet.
That's enough rope. You don't need any more rope. You've got big tuck. Go on.
Yes.
Ugh. And what we, oh, that was like a bicycle. Don't know. I think it was a cob. That was back a bit of metal there. Just really odd. Yeah, pass it, alright. Doesn't look like a bicycle, I don't know what it is. I don't want a cog. That. A cog of some sort. Hear me? Put it in the bin, please. Thank you.
What is it? Some pipe or something. Yeah. Let's put that on the table away.
We haven't found each other.
Drum. Nope. Brake disc. Front bump or back. Bicycle chain.
Oh yeah. You got gloves on, so you can do it there.
Rope. Whatever that is. Let me sit down for. Now.
Chain and what's that?